Welcome to our channel. Today, we're uncovering a critical kitchen conundrum. What should you never put in your dishwasher? Misusing this trusty appliance can lead to unexpected damage. Let's dive into the details to keep your kitchen running smoothly. First on our list are wooden items. Whether it's a cutting board or a wooden spoon, dishwashers can warp, crack, or strip their finish. Next, cast iron and non-stick pans should be kept far away from the dishwasher. The harsh detergents and heat can ruin their surfaces. Sharp knives also make the list. Their blades dull quickly, and handles can loosen from the high temperatures. Crystal and fine china are prone to cracks and fading due to the powerful wash cycle. Metals like copper, brass, and aluminum can tarnish or discolor, so hand washing is best. Some plastic items aren't dishwasher safe and can warp or release harmful chemicals. Insulated travel mugs and bottles often lose their seals, while electronic or battery-powered items risk water damage. Lastly, anything with adhesive labels should be avoided, as they can peel off and clog your dishwasher's filter. For more appliance care tips, trust the experts at Abbotsford Appliance Repair Pros. Thanks for watching, and keep your kitchen sparkling.